In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blog on Wix Studio, step by step. If you're building a website on Wix Studio and you want to start publishing blog posts, articles, or updates for SEO and audience engagement, this guide is going to walk you through the entire process from start to finish. You don't need any coding skills, and everything we do is built directly into Wix. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix Studio tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Once you're on the Wix website, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, where you can see all of your websites. From here, select the Wix Studio site where you want to add a blog. Once your site dashboard loads, look at the left-hand menu. This is where Wix keeps all of your main tools and settings. In this menu, find and click on Apps. The Apps section allows you to add extra functionality to your Wix Studio site, including things like blogs, stores, bookings, and more. After clicking on Apps, you'll see an option for the App Market. Go ahead and click on App Market to open it. This will bring up Wix's official app marketplace, where you can search for different apps created by Wix and third-party developers. At the top of the App Market, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type in Wix Blog. As you type, the Wix Blog app should appear in the results. When you see Wix Blog, click on it to open the app page. On the Wix Blog app page, you'll see details about what the app includes, such as blog posts, categories, comments, and SEO features. To add it to your site, click the button to install or download the app. Wix will automatically connect the blog to your Wix Studio site. Once the installation is complete, the blog will be added to your website and you'll have access to the blog dashboard. After installing the app, open Wix Blog from your site's dashboard. This will take you to the blog overview section. From here, you can manage posts, categories, tags, and blog settings. To start writing your first blog post, click on Create New Post. This opens the Wix Blog editor, where you can add your title, write your content, insert images, videos, and format your text exactly how you want. Take your time writing your blog content, and make sure to use headings and keywords if you want better SEO results. Once your post is ready, you can preview it, save it as a draft, or publish it immediately so it appears live on your website. You can repeat this process anytime to create new blog posts and grow your content over time. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog to your Wix Studio site and created your first post. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio tutorials, website tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.